Hello friends, I hope you are all well. Missiles, we all have an interest in knowing how they work. In today's video, we will learn about missiles. What is a missile? A missile is a weapon that is launched or driven to hit a specific target. It is capable of following the target itself. That is, it is a guided weapon. Usually, a missile has four main parts: a propulsion system motor to create speed, a guidance system guidance and target determination, a warhead explosive part, and a control system. Missiles can be launched from land, air, sea or submarine, and different types of missiles are made to destroy targets at different distances. How do missiles work? The working method of a missile is basically completed in 4 steps. 1. Launch. Missiles are usually launched from land, aircraft, ships or submarines. Some missiles can be launched from the hand. 2. Propulsion. Missiles usually use rocket engines or jet engines, which help the missile move towards the target quickly. Some missiles use solid fuel and some use liquid fuel. 3. Guidance. Missiles have advanced guidance systems, which determine the target through GPS, infrared, radar or laser technology. Some missiles work fully automatically, while some missiles are operated under human control. 4. Target hit. When the missile reaches the target, it directly hits it or explodes at a predetermined distance and destroys the target. How far can a missile go? The distance or range of a missile varies according to the type of missile. Generally, missiles are of 4 types. 1. Short-range missile SRBM distance, 300 to 1,000 kilometers. Example, Scud missile. 2. Medium-range missile MRBM distance, 1,000 to 3,000 kilometers. 3. Intermediate-range missile IRBM distance, 3,000 to 5,500 kilometers. 4. Intercontinental ballistic missile ICBM distance, more than 5,500 km. Example, American Minuteman III, Russian Sarmat, Israeli Jericho 3. What is the speed of a missile? The speed of a missile is mainly expressed in Mach speed of sound, where Mach 1 equals 1,235 km per hour. The speed varies depending on the type of missile. 1. Cruise missile speed 800 to 1,000 km per hour, Mach 0.8 to 1. Examples, Tomahawk, Caliber. Features, low flying and radar evading. 2. Short-range ballistic missile SRBM speed 3,000 to 5,000 km per hour, Mach 3 to 4. Examples, the Jericho I. 3. Medium and intermediate range ballistic missile MRBM, IRBM speed 5,000 to 15,000 km per hour, Mach 4 to 12. Examples, Jericho 2, DF to 6-4. Intercontinental ballistic missile ICBM, speed 24,000 to 27,000 km per hour, Mach 20 plus. Examples, Jericho 3, Minuteman 3, Sarmat 5. Hypersonic missile most modern speed, 6,000 to 33,000 km per hour, Mach 5 to 27. Examples, Avangard, DF-17. Features, very fast, can change course, very difficult to catch and destroy. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.